This is a GE Profile Dishwasher. It has an E4 error code. It means there is water in the dripping pan. Let's take a look. Where is the water could be leaking? Underneath. First, shut off water. Take off the drain hose. Take off the mounting screw. Turn off the circuit breaker. Disconnect the wire. And then take off the water supply hose. Adjust the height and pull out dishwasher. Flip it down, you can see there's water there. Taking off the mounting screw and then take the dripping pan off.
This is a GE dishwasher, the floor protection pan or dripping pan. They use to collect water somewhere dripped from the hose, from the pump, from the motor sump here. If the water drip inside here, this is the moisture sensor. The moisture sensor or water sensor will send a signal to the main board to let the customer know this is something water leak underneath, so you can't use it. But this moisture sensor is only the limit switch. It's a pretty straightforward, simple one. I will show you right now. So if it's dry, it will close. So you can see the circuit is made. If it's wet, they will open. So what's the principle behind this? I will take it off to show you. There's a two clip here. I can leave it up and press this. Press here. Leave this up. You can see I take this off. So here is a simple limit switch. You press this, they will change the close or open. So I will show you this. When I click that the lever here, you can see I can toggle the state. Right now it's short. I press this, it's open. So the limit switch, why they call the moisture sensor? Because there's a float. This is basically it's a foam. It's lighter. So you put it here. When the water collects to this small pore here, will float up, lift up this foam. This one will touch this lever, and then when have water float up, press this lever, limit switch is open. Tell the control board there's water, you can't run. Look at this, the drain or the leaking mark here. So it's properly the shaft seal, or that the O-ring inside cause this leak, and the dripping onto the water collecting pan cause that float switch go up and then cause the E4. So what I'm going to do, I will take off this to replace the O-ring to see if it's worked. I ordered this O-ring gasket and received it yesterday. Today I'm going to replace it. I'll take this two hose clamp off.
Disconnect the wire connectors and the ground.
There's a two tab here. You have to let it no interference with this tab. So here, and then lower a little bit here, lower a little bit here, and then counterclockwise.
Take off the O-ring.
This is a new O-ring. I will replace that. And before I put on, I apply a little bit of grease here.
Put the pump housing on. Press hard. Twist clockwise. Make sure it's tight and on. Before you put it back, make sure you connect to the cables, to the wires. And notice the orientation, where the hose go, where the hose coming in and out. Tighten the hose clamps. Put the dripping pan back on and tighten it up. Hook up the drain hose, push in the dishwasher, adjust the height, and tighten the screw, and then rewire. Finally, hook up the water supply hose, and then turn on the power. There's no E4 error code. I also have this test cord. If you experience the drain pump issue, I have the video. You can click the link or hit end screen for more information how to use this test cord to verify if your drain pump is working or not. Thank you for watching to this moment. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more appliances repair videos. Thank you. See you next time.